Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, we're walking you through some of the progress updates we're doing to our workshop expansion. We're going from a 6,000 square foot to an 11,000 square foot workshop in the same site. We moved here in 2018 from 1,500 square foot to 6,000. You can see how rapidly we're growing. We do loads of different upgrades to cars, so make sure you check out on our website. It's all live on there, plus on our social media platforms. You can hear a little bit of banging going on behind me. What's about to happen? So I'm going to walk you through what's in my workshop currently and then also go through exactly what's going to be happening today. So we've cleared out our workshop facility for the time being. So we've got our YouTube area, our showroom is through there. We've now got new storage facility up here. So what we're doing, you see this area here, it's about to have a massive hole put through, basically expanding our workshop from our current 6,000 square foot workshop all the way over to add another 5,000 square foot. I'm going to be going through into next door to show you what the boys are doing next door. They're painting next door, they're running electrics, there's loads of stuff happening with us. So they're about to knock out from there to there, and then on Saturday we're going to be doing a cutout from all the way along here. You can see up top we've got our air conditioning run all the way through in our office. The electrician, as Sparky's going to be moving the electrics point from here to over there, and then also knocking the wall through here. Then it'll be evened off, so from that beam all the way to there, allowing for a full pass through of traffic all the way into there. So we're going to be doing vehicle storage via Automotive car storage, so make sure you check them out on Instagram, plus also the website with all the pricing is live directly on there. Plus it's going to be an expansion to our workshop. There's loads of stuff happening. We're growing, guys. It's going to be absolutely epic. I'm going to head next door now, show you guys exactly what's going on. Just check this out, guys. This is the back of our unit. Absolutely stunning. It is a little bit windy, but we're getting there. We're heading inside the new unit. Loads of work's going on here. So Lewis has been painting the walls. As you can see, they're going from this sort of light color all the way to the gray. We've already started on this side, so look at it. It's getting there. It's really, really promising. So we've just had all the stuff that was in the previous videos that was here. That's all going to be painted now and all made to look really, really nice. We've got gray paint going on here and then a red stripe going along the top. So this is the wall that's about to be knocked out. So we're literally going directly from here to there. Plus the Sparkies are in. The good old boys at DK Electrical are doing their work. They're running our sockets all the way around the unit. So make sure if you're after any electrical work, make sure you go check them out. All their contact details are right here. As you can see, piping is going all the way around the top there. Really, really cool. And quite noisy. Farmers are out, they're moving stuff, getting the place ready for us. We've got electrics going in, and now this wall is about to be knocked out. We're actually going to show you the demolition of this wall, which is going to be really, really cool. So they're knocking the wall through. You can see through now. It's coming along really nicely. Just check this out. It's a little bit dusty, but farmers here are doing a cracking job. The walkway through into our new premises to expand our facilities. Look at the space here, guys. 5,000 square foot this side. Then on Saturday they're going to be cutting out this whole piece here to allow us to get motorhomes in, whatever the size vehicle, we can work on it. We can get full Arctic trucks inside, we can get supercars in, we can get absolutely everything. It's expanding, guys. It's really, really cool. So just check this out. Basically what they've done is they've cut round the brickwork to loosen that brickwork. So this is industrial breeze block that they've got. Apologies about the noise, but as you can see here, what they're doing is basically they've cut round that, and now what they're doing is basically grabbing on to the other side of the wall. So it is all loose, and they're basically pulling it towards the new unit to make that escape and basically make a nice entrance all the way through. Then we're going to be cutting out the steel work onto the weekend. So it's coming along. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Tractor's wheels are up. Lifted the actual tractor's wheels there. There we go. It's done. Look at that. Amazing. Really proud moment for us. Expanding and growing in these sorts of times. Difficult times that we've got. We are growing. So loads of stuff happening here. Did you see the wheels lift up on that? How cool was that? Amazing. There's just something about demolition, it's just cool. It's a little bit dusty. I think we could say we're through. We'll be posting pictures on our Instagram as well, so make sure you follow us on there as well. But for today's video, I'll be heading over next door, showing you a little bit more once all this is all neatened up. So the wall has been knocked through, just walking you around what's going on. So we've got a Defender 90 in for a sub install, so it's an Eaton 8-inch sub. Loads of stuff going on. We've got classic stuff, Ferrari Testarossa, classic Merc, more Defender work, Shmi 150. We've also got the LLS, McLaren 720 coming in very shortly for some work too. So as you can see, holes being made. We're nearly all the way through now. On Saturday, this is going to be all cut out as mentioned before, but the wall is going the matching colour. We're going to do a red pinstripe all the way along there. Obviously have to duck to go in here. So as you can see, the boys at DK Electrical are running the cable runs all the way across to give us some charging ports all the way around the sockets, but it's coming together really nicely. Lewis is doing an amazing job painting the walls, getting them exactly how he wants them to be, making sure it looks really, really cool. So that's basically a little bit of a run through of what's going on at the moment. So this is the halfway through. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to be going through exactly what it looks like with the full cutout, with all the electrics running. Plus we've got some cars in there as well. At the moment they're having to be parked outside, so we're getting everything indoors under one roof, so you know that your car is looked after when it's in with us. So really, really cool that this is happening, guys. Really proud to be showcasing this. But if you'd like this video, want to see more about the updates that we're doing to our workshop, as well as our work that we're doing on customers' cars, make sure you press the subscribe button right now and keep up to date with future videos. Hit that bell notification so you know exactly when we upload. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.